Let's see this configuration 20 by 30 fiber laser cutting machine. This is the manual head water air cooling raytool head. It's BT200 model. This is the air cooling. No need to connect with water. And this machine system is raytool XCS3000S model system. This machine system is able install on. This system could install in a laptop, but it requires i7 series or over configuration PC. If too low, the configuration of PC could not able run the system. And this is the emergency switch and the key. Here is the USB for inload design file. Also, here is the laser switch, servo switch, and light switch. Machine also have a DSP controller. It has different configurations. And this machine door have the emergency switch. This green button is for door senior protect people head. The machine cell could install with the eye protection glasses. This blade table is air compressor cylinder control tab. Machine is gear transfer, high cut pre-sensor. Let's see the inside. This is the electronic spares inside, and here is the gear transfer. This is the servo motor installed. Its listen to servo motor could optional. There is a cooling fan installed. Let's see the back side of the machine. This is the power source. Because it's 800 fiber source JPT brand. So this fiber source is 20 by 220 voltage single phase. And this back side, this is the fiber source. It's JPT 800 model. This model fiber source is air cooling. So this machine totally no need to connect with the chiller. Connection is simple. Here is the USB and the Wi-Fi data line connect with this laptop. And this is a host fan for connection the home use type cleaner to absorb the smoke when cutting. Let's see how to cooling. Those fans is very powerful for cooling the fiber source. Because inside it's electronic, so there is fans for cooling. Let's see. This inside is the control board and main board. And the leadership driver. This is the main board. This is a pure servo motor gear transfer.